Hello, this is Dr. Peter Rassicott. Welcome to Introduction to Philosophy. I'm glad that you could be with us today. Looking forward to our 6 weeks together, and I think that you will find it to be very enlightening. Oliver Wendell Holmes once wrote, "A mind that has been stretched by a new experience cannot return to its old dimensions." And I think that this time of us studying philosophy ought to be one of those new experiences and one of those stretching times. I know that you're all interested in getting good grades, so I wanted this introduction to be about our syllabus. If you want to stop the tape at this point and get a copy of your syllabus or open it up, that would be very helpful to you. The weekly discussions is every week, of course, 50 points for 6 weeks, and the instructions say that this is a brief reflection, 300 to 500 words. Now, 300 to 500 is a broad range. 300 means that should be your lowest word count, and 500 roughly the greatest word count. And what you need to reflect on is a set of questions that are proposed. Just one of those questions, not all of them, just one. And then you have to post also responses to the other students, 100 to 150 words. And again, that is a range, but 100 should be the lowest, and 150 should be roughly the most number of words you use. But this is very key. Your response needs to be based on a different text from the one you used for your own reflection. So the example it gives here is if you write a personal reflection on Plato's Apology, you might respond to a colleague who has read Deleuze and Guattari, "What is Philosophy?" Now, just as a side note, Deleuze and Guattari's essay, "What is Philosophy?" is very, very difficult. You might want to choose one of the other two. But what you're supposed to do is reflect on what that student has written and challenge them or pose a question that invites them to dig deeper or think more on that topic. And those reflections are due by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday. And the two responses to the students need to be completed by Saturday at 11:59.